He's not quite happy. Now they're right. And they're racing. Oh, Hippocrane's come out 3 lengths behind them, showing speed. The Whistler shortly after the start. Marcello, Stake and Benays is right up there with Infinite Fortune going quickly 4 deep. In behind them, Miss Rapidash is running 5th, followed by Late Starter. 2 lengths away to Face Court inside Orthros. 1 length away then was in the field Craft Show. They were followed by My Buddy Ripper. It's racing over on the inside of horses. Passed now by Funny Fellow, then Gilda. And Hippocrane is last of all, about 15 from the leader, which at the 750 is the Whistler. He's out by 2 lengths on Infinite Fortune, and Marcello getting the soft run third on the inside of Stake and Benays. The favourite is 4th. A length to Miss Rapidash, half away in the field then was Late Starter, followed by Face Court Orthros, My Buddy Ripper, Lucky or Happy Fellow. They were followed by Gilda and Hippocrane as last of all, 450 out, and the Whistler setting sail for home is a half length in front. Marcello bullocks away from the inside, and Stake and Benays has come right to the centre of the track. They were followed by Infinite Fortune, and in behind horses getting off heels was Late Starter, but coming to the 200 metres the Whistler led, but Stake and Benays is knuckling down to the task, and he went up and hit the lead. Now Stake and Benays trying hard was Late Starter, but with 100 metres to go, Duffy hits the detonator now on Stake and Benays. He's racing clear. Stake and Benays will make it 2 from 2, beat Late Starter, and My Buddy Ripper, the Whistlers, run 4th, followed by Orthros Gilda. Next in was Miss Rapidash, followed home by Happy Fellow, Marcello. Hippocrane was never in it after blowing the start. Then Infinite Fortune, Craft Show,